What's up, y'all? It's 60 Flare back with another video. It's been a while. Haven't dropped anything. It's been like 2 months. But shit, you know what I'm saying? Life just been lifing. We are right now we're about to go to the car wash and meet up with some people. We're going to the No Limits 937 season opener today. Got some new wheels for the G8. I'm gonna show y'all. I only got the rears on right now. But yeah. New wheels for the G8. I don't know how to pronounce that shit. Alright, the G8, I could not put 240 walls on here. I couldn't put 40 walls on here. It was rubbing the fender like fuck. So I had to go down to like, I got 255, 30, 255, 30, 20. They are 20 inches. I still got the regulars on the stocks on the front. So yeah, we are going to go wash this bitch because it's filthy. And yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a cold start. I done popped the trunk like a goofy ass. What we wanted to do. We're gonna pop the trunk, get this cold start. Oh. It's alright. Clean little RT. Clean little RT in this thing. Yeah, we on the way to the wash. Man, it's crazy. Like, I really haven't been like on my YouTube shit for real. Like, I just really literally just been working, like trying to take care of home and you know what I'm saying, shit like that. But yeah, we back outside. We got the No Limits 937 season opener. So yeah, we gonna go ahead and get the G8 wiped up for that. Meet up with some of the gang. I'm gonna show y'all some of the cars we just dropped. A couple of the members been coming crazy. So yeah, like, gonna be a banger for sure. That corner crazy as hell. Boy, I'll come get your ass. Look what I just walked up on at the wash. What kind of blower is that?
Gen 590.
What all you got done to it?
Cam, heads. I put a bigger blower on it. With the spring guard shit in the head, shit. Intercool.
Look like your whole you got the whole
E85.
engine. E85, you. That's insane.
That motherfucker ain't sound regular.
Man, listen. We outside, as you can see. A little clear. SS. Do though. Got SS Reef. Hellcat Curve.
Let me say to the school.
SS.
Who is this?
Oh, that's it.
Yeah, B. And he got his girl with him. Yeah, B. Look at her. Couple goals right there. Yes, sir. This bitch crazy. Fuck! Shit.
What is that?
We'll never see my car.
Shit. simmer down now, boy. It's crazy. Good kitty. Big Gym City Road Runners. We got the cat. We got the scat. We got a straight. We got a supercharged Jag. 5.7. G8. What's up with you, fam? Good cat. Mark pulled up on a moped. I mean, on a four-wheeler. Look who just pulled up on us. So my baby, you all right? This bitch look hard. Shit. Good 300s. Good 300s. Y'all, this bitch is cracking. What's up, baby? How you doing? Good. Where's this thing at? Somewhere around here? Look, they're already checking Jersey's car out. Don't do that. We want to hear that supercharger. Don't go too crazy though. That's insane.
That wild half-ass ain't shit.
This color's ass.
It's crazy.
I'm looking like it's icy there. I'm like, that's a milkshake, bro. It's fucking
Look at his seats. Did you? Crazy. CLS, got a Scat, we got a V-Dub. Ooh, we got ZL1. We got a smaller pulley on that bitch. Hellcats are still faster though. Why he got his badge way up there on that Hellcat?
ZL1?
Good ZL1. He said they tried to strike JT shit. That's crazy. It's definitely catfish as fuck. You would think it's very fast if you see it. A Lotus? Damn. It's Skyline though. You see the Urus?
Oh, that's back to back them shots.
Yes, sir. MK Dub. Drop my shit. Step on that shit. They got their girlfriends follow them in the dailies. No, for sure. It's gonna. That Bel Air, Jay. You see that Bel Air, Jay? That's how I knew shit was serious. If you was jumping in that, you was in.
Just keep beating me. I said, nah.
What is that? Is that a black wing? No. Yeah, that's the Hellcat.
That's the one. So he played his ass on it.
That's me.
I'm pretty sure.
Eleanor. Other ones? Okay. Little Z, 370. He was cool as hell, wasn't he? Ooh, yes, sir. Okay. Okay. Did. Okay, little Welly.
Ain't that like the same one that wrecked on fucking, what you call it? Last time he gonna do it again.
Nowhere. Oh my God, I just, bro. I didn't even, but he was right there when.
Right back.
That's the old one? Facelift. Oh, that's a
Facelift.
That's an old.
Good welded dips. Show me some catfish. Show me some FRS. Oh! All right now, baby.
What's that thick girl in that silver girl?
Rouse. Right.
Okay, let's walk.
What's up, baby? Good. Hey, nice turnout.
Thank you. Thank you.
This shit crazy.
That nigga still
Good GA. That Mustang sitting up high as fuck.
Nick, hey, in my head, he did.
First time.
Then he turned.
That bitch.
One left.
I got too many vices. I love smoking.
Right. I know that. The Breeze with a Chevy SS front end on.